at 1. Now, it was all beautiful smiles as 22-year-old Hellen Setek was reconciled with her parents 8 years after she ran away at the age of 14 when she was given out for marriage to a 45-year-old man. Perhaps memories of how Hellen walked a distance of 15 kilometers overnight to Old Kulto police station still fresh in her mind. She was then handed over to Mission Rescue Center, which has been her home for the last 8 years. She has now cleared her primary education at the age of 22 and she is about to join secondary school. Hellen thought it would be fair if her parents would accept her back.
Nasema asante sana. Waje watoto saidia mimi nasomesha mtoto mpaka namaliza shule. Mimi nasema asante sana.
Kuna furaha sana, nimefika nyumbani, nimepokelewa vizuri. Na furaha kwa sababu hata baba yangu amenikubali tena.
The first thing that we should do is educate our people on the reasons as to why FGM and early marriage is wrong, and then slowly we shall be able to change the situation.